told you were waiting for me.
You're a lot sexier in person.
But when love breaks free,
It feels like the first day of school.
You married me?
will all hell
We about to see if talk is cheap.
You want me to ask permission every time I get on my phone?
break loose?
You can't see me tonight. Who are these girls? Shut up!
I think he'd let me get away with murder, to tell you the truth.
Don't miss an all-new Love After Lockup tonight at 8 on WeTV. Stream on All Black.
Rule number 1. Never let suspects stay together. We don't assume anything. Face the fear. Don't apologize. I'm sorry.
It terrifies me when you break your own rules.